If you wax but still struggle with bumps, dull skin, or dark marks, you're missing one crucial step. Most people think waxing alone creates smooth skin. It doesn't. And what you do in the next 24 hours changes everything. Waxing removes hair, not damage. If your skin feels rough, looks uneven, breaks out after, or develops it's not random, it's inflammation and barrier disruption. And almost no one talks about this part. Here's what actually happens. When hair is removed from the root, your skin enters microtrauma mode. That means open follicles, increased sensitivity, higher bacterial exposure, and increased pigment response. If you treat your skin wrong during this window, you lock in irritation instead of glow. Mistake number 1. Exfoliating too soon. Mistake number 2. Using heavy fragranced products. Mistake number 3. Wearing tight clothing immediately after. Mistake number 4. Skipping calming steps entirely. Most people focus on hair removal. The glow comes after. Step 1. Calm first. Think soothing, minimal, barrier-friendly. Step 2. Wait 48 hours. Then introduce gentle exfoliation. Step 3. Hydrate, strategically. Lightweight hydration is better than thick. Step 4. Protect from friction, loose clothing and clean fabrics. Step 5. Maintain consistency. Glow is built between wax appointments. If you want elevated results, layeringordermatters.com. Then hydrate, then seal lightly. Not the other way around. This prevents clogged follicles and keeps texture smooth. If you repeat this cycle every month, you get fewer ingrowns, a brighter tone, less post-wax darkness, and longer-lasting smoothness. Glow becomes predictable, not lucky. There's also one ingredient that dramatically reduces post-wax dark marks. But it has to be used at the right time. I'll break that down in the next video. If this helped, comment, glow routine. And if you want more luxury level waxing and skin strategies, subscribe, because smooth skin is a system, not a single step.